Hey, what's happening, Steve Heads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In this video, we got the updates and recaps, starting off with the updates. So if you don't know, the 8 I'm a Maniére Jordan 3s did release, and apparently they have released a lot of sizes because they were sitting pretty much on the 8 I'm a Maniére website. I did hit my pair off the raffles. I'm very excited to get those in hand because, as you know, 8 I'm a Maniére does have nice quality leather and quality suede. So I had never had an 8 I'm a Maniére 3, and I know the first ones that came out, my size, were going for like $800. Now, granted, they did come down a lot because, as we know, the sneaker market is crashing right now. But my size, the first ones, they're now about $400 something. But to get these off the raffle for retail, I'm very excited about that. So let me know how you did on the raffle. And today, the 21st of August, the sneakers app did have exclusive access for those. I did get exclusive access for that. However, I did not go for those sizes because I had already got my pair coming from a Maniére. I wish I would have waited, but then again, sometimes you don't know how the raffles will go. I probably could have saved the $16 from the shipping that a Maniére is charging me, but other than that, I'm still happy about my purchase. I won't have to worry about trying to pay resale for these. But hopefully, you was able to copy a pair if you really wanted these. It was not that difficult of a cop for me, but let me know your experience and how the things go for you on the raffle. So moving on to the Jordan updates, these are the shoes that came out from the 21st to the 27th of July. So starting off on July 23rd, we did have the Jordan 39 Soul. This was the new 39 silhouette. This was the all white pair, that black little hit on it. This price point for $200, and they're still available on Nike.com. Sizes 8 through 10 are available. And then shortly after that, we did have a second pair. It's called the Maniére, and the size 8 through 10 are available for those as well. This is the black pair. These are the first two colorways that are coming out for that silhouette. As you know, more are scheduled to drop soon. Strange thing to me, let me know down in the comments. But I've been searching for these shoes at my local Foot Locker and Champs, Finish Line, and I haven't talked to the people, but they're not available in those stores. So I don't know. I know Nike is trying to, directly sell to the consumer to keep all the profits. And I'm thinking with these Jordan 39s, that seems like right now only Nike.com is selling those things. But if you do know another place that are selling them, let us know down in the comments because I sure would like. Because I have heard that the cushion on these is very good, and the only thing is seeing some of the reviews on YouTube and some people concerned, like if you're a heavy size guy, the stability control is lacking on those shoes. But as for me, I wanted to rock those casually. The pair that I'm looking for is basically the white, all white with that turquoise hit. Those are the ones that I'm looking for to come out. So stay tuned for that. When they finally do drop, I do plan to pull the trigger and buy me a pair to check those out. But I'll be rocking those casuals. So let us know down in the comments what you think about these two shoes. Did you cop you a pair of the Soul or the Lumiere? So what we got next, my brother?
So on July the 27th, we did have the Air Jordan 4. This was a special edition, that wet cement that had that smoke gray. Price point for those were $225. A round of applause for Jordan Brand. According to Nike.com, no sizes are available. Right? Nice work for Jordan Brand. No size.
Yes, sir. So if you haven't done so already, go and check out that video right here because in North Carolina, there were a few available after the release. And if you don't know, Nike.com did go ahead and release a full-size run of those, and I was able to cop me a pair the next day. But let me know what y'all think about that Jordan 9 unboxing and what other shoes that you would like me to unbox on this channel.
And if you guys continue to love content like this, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
Bless others.
peace.